Friends, we're going to make chicken Alfredo casserole here. Today we've got a mixing bowl out. We're going to add some chicken broth to it. Next up, we're going to add just a regular store brand Alfredo sauce, a whole jar. Next up, we're going to add a couple cups of heavy whipping cream. That's where the magic happens. Then we're going to whisk that together. We're going to add some Parmesan cheese. We're going to stir this in. Next up, we're going to add some salt and some black pepper for some nice seasoning. And then next up, we're going to add just a little bit of Italian seasoning for some charm. And then we're going to add a couple bits of garlic in next. We're going to give this a good little stir here in a moment and make sure that all the ingredients are all well blended together. Last, we're going to throw in some mozzarella cheese to make sure that magic is complete. We're going to whisk that together here, and we're going to set this bowl aside. We're going to spray a 9x13 baking dish, and then we are going to set it up to place in a whole box of penne noodles. Not cooked, just raw right out of the box. We've got a couple cups of diced up cooked chicken, boneless chicken, all cut up. We're going to layer that on top of the noodles. We're going to grab that bowl of magic and we're going to dump it right on top to make sure that everything in the 9x13 pan is covered. And there goes the bits of cheese. We're going to scrape out this bowl real quick here to make sure that we've got all the good bits. We're going to cover it with tin foil and bake it at 375 degrees for about 40 minutes. Ooh, my goodness. Does this look delicious? Here's our creamy Alfredo chicken casserole. This is right out of the oven. So if you let this set up a little bit, you're going to have this sauce thicken a little bit. All right, let's try this delicious casserole here. Flavor's perfect. The garlic, the seasoning, the sauce, out of this world. Delicious. If you're an Alfredo lover, this one's easy to make at home. Cheap, it's going to feed a family, and it is delicious. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.